Good morning, type traders. Welcome back. Hopefully, everyone is all excited for this lovely Tuesday. I love Tuesdays, and it's not Taco Tuesdays. We call it, and I was telling Josh, we're going to call it Traders Tuesday. Traders Tuesday. Always a great day. Good to see you, Lady. Good to see you, Michael. Good to see you, Rich. Everyone, welcome back. Let me tell you, we had a really good morning in pre-market. For some of you that are on social media, just tell you some of the stocks that we've been trading. This BNZI. Damn, 8:30. Stock went from $4.50 to $7. I actually thought the other one was a little bit better. I like this, the JBDI that I called out earlier for some of you. I don't know who got in here earlier, but 8 o'clock, the stock was at $1.40, shot up to $1.80. Nice 40 cents, 1,000 shares. We'll talk about the iceberg orders. We'll talk about why it went up, all that good stuff. But so far, it's trading Tuesdays, and let me tell you what a nice morning so far in pre-market, and we're not even open yet. So a lot of good stuff going on. But anyway, a lot of stuff that's going to be that's happening. I'm going to be on Metastock today. Tomorrow we got John Seville on our podcast. We know you got classes with Josh that's going on this week. So it's been a really busy week, trading week, last week of the month, even though it does end on a Monday, but I don't count that. So it looks like so far we're having a pretty decent day. But anyway, yesterday we had a lot of stocks that made some big moves. So I want to cover those stocks, and then we'll go through the watch list because there is a lot of stuff that is moving today. So anyway, regarding about the couple of stocks, APLD, why don't you bring us some of these stocks right here? So we got a nice move on this APLD. You can see here at 9:30, the stock ran from $6 all the way to $6.70. Was nice. It was, the spread was a little dangerous. It is testing some big resistance levels. I think me and Josh were talking about it. This was I forgot what this company does again. It's a blockchain. I forgot which one it does, but yeah, there was some pretty good news that came out at $3 to $7. That stock did pretty well. There was a couple other one. There's a lot of them. What I'm talking about. CAVL was another one that moved up pretty nicely. That stock popped out of the gate, went from like 60 cents to $2, and then it kind of backed off a little bit. NVVE, another one, nice little pop early this morning. Boyle, that stock obviously was making a nice little comeback. You remember I told you about Boyle. It's not the easiest day trading stock, but it was a lot better of a swing trading stock. That one did well. TGL was another good one. VTYX, a little bit on a downtrend. POTR just won't back off. This thing has been just a great swing trade. It's been coming out with a lot of news constantly, and even though the bigger news was making the S&P 500, that one did well. LMT, spelled it wrong. Lockheed Martin did really well. Looks like Lockheed Martin just breaking a new high, so all-time high in that stock too. That one's doing well in the swing trade. We did talk about a little about BA, Boeing. Listen, it's going to come back. You got to remember, a lot of these stocks, brand name stocks that got really beat up, eventually going to come back a little bit. Nice little pop on the Boeing. I'm going to put this on the watch list. Listen, I'm a big fan of Boeing, and remember what I always say. When you have the worst of the worst of the worst of the worst news and it doesn't want to go any lower, that's when you know you want to buy. All right. So that one does pretty well. What else we got? I'll tell you, it was a lot yesterday. UXIN was another nice little stock, $1.60 to $2.60. Pre-market, China stocks, MSS was pretty good. That one made a big move. I'm going to put that one back on the watch list because she's moving. 12 million shares. Great run after hours. That one, MSS, keep an eye on that one. And I think that was it, right? Oh, I think it was one more. AMPX was another one that made a nice move. So there were quite a few stocks. But listen, it was Monday. It was not like, like this morning, we got all these big runners. We got a couple of big runners this morning in pre-market. What we'll focus on, we'll look at them. But, there was a couple of good nickels and dimes yesterday. Krista says the AM. Oh, I forgot that one too. Yeah, you're right. Let me bring that up, Chris. The AMSC. Yeah, that one. Nice little push. A little bit more on the expensive side, but another nice little mover. So anyway, let's go through the watch list and see what's going on. Let's get ready for the open. The market's going to be opening up in a little less than 25 minutes. Like we always start off, let's start with the big percentage gainers. And it's the most active stock right now is the MSS. And I do have it on level 4 here. And I like this stock right here. I want to bring this up and show you what's going on for some of you on social media. So you can see right here, we had a big orders right here, right around $1.60, big resistance levels. Looks like it's just starting to make another big move right here. Got a couple of green balls right here. Means a lot of orders are getting executed on the offer. Nice, strong stock, nice spread, very inexpensive, up 143%. Right up our alley. You know what we're looking for. Now, where's the resistance levels? I don't see it on level 4, but we do have resistance levels from yesterday, so we can go by that. It looks like somewhere around $1.80. I see some sellers here at $1.90 for 20,000, but not bad. All right, next one, BNZI. Now, this one right here was a great runner up this morning, and then it started coming up to some big sellers out here. A lot of orders started showing up around 670, 674, 72. Now it's starting to go down. There was a big order that came in around 8:30 this morning at 720, and that's when it started pushing it down. But anyway, it's still a big mover. What I like about this stock is this, okay? And this is what we look for. You know I'm a big bottom fishing guy. Look where the price of this stock was last year. This thing was in the 400s. Now, I don't know if that's a reverse stock split or whatever, but sure doesn't look pretty good. Thing got crushed, okay? Love it. Love those stocks. Those are my favorite because eventually maybe they came out with some big news. Maybe the CEO is going to start jumping back in, maybe it's buybacks, whatever it is. But I love when stocks like that get destroyed. This one gapped up pretty big, but we're going to pass on that one. Don't like the spread. I like the volume of this one right here at 40%. Spread looks pretty decent, but she's really not trending. She was up pretty big, and she's just making lower lows, over the course of the day. So not really crazy about that. I'll put that on the B list, HSCS. This one's going up really nicely. This one's not bad. CAPR. Let's see what the orders look like on this. Oh, yeah, nice. Oh, yeah, this one's pretty good. I like this one right here. Look at this one. Gorgeous trend. 19,000 share buyer show up at $7. When he showed up, now we had that big run up to $8.40. We got some resistance levels right around $9. Not as big as that one at $7, but it looks like it's going to be a little risky. A lot of small tier sizes. Spread looks a little big. Put this on the B list. CPR. That one's not bad. That stock we already know about. JBDI. Big run up. And then all of a sudden, yeah, look, the order got pulled at $1.30. When he got pulled, now it's starting to back off. Got a couple of orders that's showing up at $1.85. Not bad. JBDI. Not bad right there. Where are we at? 22%. Yeah, typical Tuesday, trading Tuesdays. This one's gapped up a little bit. Volumes, I don't like the crazy about the spread right there. This is not, don't like the spread. Don't like the spread. This one, nope, not interested. All right, now we're down 10%. So we're going to scratch that out. We got one stock that's getting destroyed right here, down 53%. I don't know. I don't like the spread right here. I don't like when I see the spottiness on the chart. If you guys watched my video, I did a video on it on YouTube. So hopefully everyone had a chance to watch it, but how to read charts, how everyone reads them backwards. I kind of did a chart on that. New York Stock Exchange, we're getting a big move on this ETF right here, but we're not going to, what happens on ETFs. It's very difficult to trade ETFs because we can't see the orders as well. NEO's moving up pretty good right now. Kind of flat. All right, we're down to 7%. This stock is taking a big hit. Another ETF on the downside. A lot of ETFs are in this list right here. Visa's coming down a little bit. Anything here, any active? What are the fabulous sevens doing? NVIDIA, not doing that much. Tesla ETF, that's been a fun stock. I forgot to mention, that was also a good one yesterday. Tesla, we did pretty well on that one. Nice big move. Got to mention that one. You don't have to trade. You don't have to trade Tesla. Remember how we told you how to trade Tesla? You trade Tesla on level 4, but it's so expensive that you just trade TSLL and the thing moves side by side with it. We also doing pretty well on the Intel. Intel was good swing trade. We own that one. Kabel, that's one we already know about. Just see if there any fabulous sevens moving. All right. So it looks like we're looking pretty good right here. JD's going up a little bit. That one gapped up pretty nicely. Little brand name stock. CMCSA. I haven't saw that stock in a long time. Used to trade that a lot. All right, BNZI is trying to move up again, making a nice little push. BNZI. Yeah, not really seeing too much. Oh, you know what? A couple of orders left around $7. Yep. Grant, you saw that too. Visa's getting hit. A lawsuit over debit cards. Is that what it is? You know what? You know what it is, Samuel? They got such a monopoly between that and MasterCard. American Express, I would say not. They don't have a, but those two, I'd say when I was in Europe, nobody takes American Express. They only take Visa, MasterCard. So yeah, they definitely have a niche in that market. Anyway, anything I'm missing? I did not call out, traders. Anything else? Any other stocks? All right. So it's not a big list, but it's a quality list. And you know what happens when the market opens up, there's going to be a bunch of more that are going to open up. So we're going to keep an eye on those too. So as we'll see them, we'll share them. Now, don't forget, you got class today. We got the events that are going on all week. Make sure you registered for those events. And like I said, if there's something comes up, we'll go out there and share it. So market's going to open up about 15 minutes. Go hit the restroom, maybe go fill up your coffee or tea, whatever you're going to get a drink. Let's get ready for the market opened up. Just always remember, you see something, you say something, traders. And if you're new here, like Andrew, I see you from Palm Beach Gardens. How you doing right here in the Cyber Group room? You're a new trial member. I could see you there. Harry, I could see you in here. Julia, welcome. Minsa, hello, how you doing? George, good to see you. Just remember, there's a trading room, not a teaching room. So just sit back and watch the trading. Watch the traders, how they think for themselves. Don't buy anything, please. Okay, just watch, all right? And for everyone on social media, on the top left-hand corner, take your phone, scan that QR code. If you want to join our trading room, you're more than welcome to join us. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. See you in 15 minutes when the market opens up. For everybody else, we'll see you later.